Thank you for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Today we are going to work on putting these spindles back in for these wheels. We got the arms connected. Now we just need to put these in with our E-clips and washers. There's a grease cap that goes over it as well. See if we can make this work. Hopefully not lose anything. All right. So I lowered the jack to get it out of the way. Might be too out of the way. So we gotta put this spacer washer over it first. And you take your E-clip and slide it in. Sometimes it needs a little bit of help. Getting that to drop. There we go, that one's in. Probably won't put the caps on yet, but I guess I could. So I lost this for that other side. I took it apart at some point ago. So I just pulled this one off of that Craftsman YS4500 that had the motor blow. And we're gonna borrow that for now. I haven't been able to find one anywhere. So we're gonna put that on, swap them later when I find the other set. And we're gonna hope they fit as well. They should, but it is a different style of clip. So I think it's the same size though. I like that this one has little grooves to pop it in place. All right. So those are both reconnected. Two wheel steering together for the first time in years. You tighten that. Guessing that's a 14. Let's see. Is a 15. It does not appear that I have a, well, here you go. Thought I had a ratchet. Excuse me. Tighten these. Probably gonna need a, yep, I need a wrench. It's a little smaller. All right, looks like it's got a 13 to lock on top. 15 mil. Tighten. Okay. It would be very nice to have a mower up and working again. The other good thing about that is once this mower is out of the way, I can get the Corvair out of this garage. And that will be nice. Oops. I also need to find my grease gun and go through and grease all these fittings. Well, that will end our 5 minutes for today. Tomorrow we'll reattach this muffler. The 5/16 bolts I tried to put in just slide in, and it doesn't hold it at all. So we'll probably switch up to a 3/8, but I'll have to drill these out. So we'll see how that works. So remember, spend 5 minutes a day and get those projects taken care of. Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic.